Imagine a country with only two main seasons, wet and dry. For countries along the Indian Ocean and South Atlantic, this is a reality. Here, yearly winds called monsoons bring heavy rains in one season and dry air in the other. It is estimated that over half the world's population lives in areas where monsoons occur. Responsible for almost 90% of India's water supply, farmers rely highly on these seasonal rains for crop irrigation. In fact, the strongest monsoons occur in India and other areas of southern Asia. Recall from the tornado section how low-pressure systems are formed. High temperatures in an area heat up the surrounding air, causing it to rise. The meeting of cold and warm air masses also achieve this effect. If the jet stream or other upper-level winds carry the rising air away rapidly, more air rises. Since the air is rising and not weighing down on the surface, there is low pressure. The heated Indian subcontinent in the summer, between June to September, produces a low-pressure system on land. This causes a pressure difference between the ocean and the continent. Because air masses move from high-pressure areas to low-pressure areas, a convection current occurs. Moist air from the Indian Ocean flows north and northeast to replace the air that has risen over land, bringing heavy rainfall and sometimes floods. Summer is southern Asia's wet season. Conversely, in the winter, the jet stream shifts southward. This map compares the latitudes of the jet stream in the summer versus the winter. As well, land temperatures are also lower than the ocean temperature. Producing low-pressure systems over the ocean, the convection cycle is reversed. Air from the Himalayan mountains flows southwest to the ocean to replace the rising air in that area. This mountain air comes from high altitudes and is thusly cold and lacking moisture. Winter is the dry season. The wet season is highly welcomed each year around June 1st because it replenishes underground water supplies lost in the dry season. Despite great agricultural dependence on these seasonal rains, monsoons may also cause intense flooding. As a result of the combination of monsoon rains being driven inland and the melting of snow and ice from the winter, Bangladesh experiences some of the worst floods in the world. Disrupting land transportation, destroying structures, sewage systems in cities can also be affected, resulting in contaminated water that can spread diseases. Monsoon rainfall does not occur continuously through the wet season. There may be periods of monsoon breaks for weeks where drought causes significant hardship for farmers, causing them to suffer from massive crop failures and livestock depletion. Ironically, the meteorological factor on which many farmers rely is also what can cause significant poverty. Through the examination of two types of weather phenomena, tornadoes and monsoons, it is truly astonishing to observe how not even man's strongest buildings can withstand Mother Nature's fury. Nevertheless, despite the devastation these extreme weather events bring, life in these areas affected without them would be unimaginable to many.
So this is our Southeast Asian monsoon season.
As scientists continue to uncover the mysteries surrounding the formation of tornadoes and monsoons, hopefully we will gain a greater understanding of the factors involved in their creation. Hopefully, we will learn to predict these weather events and prepare ourselves. Hopefully, we may live to see the rainbow after the storm.